In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate or flip images in Adobe Express. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express and click the image you want to adjust. When the image is selected, you'll notice a bounding box and small controls appear around it. These handles confirm you're working on the correct layer. If you don't see them, make sure the image itself, not the background or another element, is selected. Zooming in a bit can help you make more precise adjustments, especially if you're straightening a slightly tilted photo. Let's start with rotation. Look for the rotate icon, which appears as a circular arrow near the image. Click and hold that icon, then drag your cursor in the direction you want the photo to turn. As you move, the image will rotate in real time so you can visually align a horizon, straighten a portrait, or tilt an object for a creative angle. Take your time and adjust until it looks just right. When you release the mouse, the angle is set. But don't worry, you can always click and drag again to refine it. A helpful tip is to use obvious lines in your photo, like the edge of a table or a skyline, as a guide to judge whether your rotation feels balanced. Now, if you want to mirror the image instead of rotating it, make sure the photo is still selected in your design. In the image editing toolbar, look for the flip controls. They're often represented by two triangles or an hourglass-style icon. Choose Flip horizontally to mirror the image from left to right, which can be great for adjusting composition or directing a subject's gaze. Or choose Flip vertically to mirror the image from top to bottom, which can create symmetrical or reflective looks. The change happens instantly and won't affect the size or quality of your photo. Keep in mind that flipping will also mirror any visible text within the image, so check that everything reads the way you intend after the flip. That's all there is to it. Rotate for fine-tuned alignment and perspective, and flip to quickly mirror your composition. These adjustments are non-destructive, so you can experiment freely, compare results, and settle on what best supports your design. Once you're happy with the result, continue building your layout or move on to your next element with confidence.